In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, a crucial step if you want to explore various decentralized finance applications within the Binance ecosystem. This adjustment will allow you more freedom and flexibility, enabling you to utilize the Binance Smart Chain network easily. Let's walk through each step together to ensure a seamless transition. First, start by opening your MetaMask wallet. If you're new to this, remember, MetaMask is a browser extension that you can easily install on Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. Ensure it's properly set up and ready to use. Now, once you're in MetaMask, turn your attention to the top center of the interface. You'll notice a drop-down menu that likely currently reads Ethereum Mainnet. This drop-down is where you can select and add various networks. To proceed, click on the Network drop-down menu. You'll see the option to Add Network. Selecting this option will bring you to a page where you can either add a recommended network or manually input the details of a new one. For our purpose today, you'll want to select Add a Network manually. This step will lead you to a form that requires some specific details related to the Binance Smart Chain. These details are essential for MetaMask to connect properly to the Binance network. So let's fill them in together. Start by entering BNB Smart Chain into the network name field. It's always helpful to have a descriptive name so you can easily identify which network you're on at a glance. Next, for the new RPC URL, enter https://bsc.dataseed.binance.org/. Think of this as the gateway your MetaMask will use to interact with the Binance Smart Chain. After that, for the chain ID, type in 56, which is unique to the Binance Smart Chain network. The currency symbol is simply BNB, representing Binance's native token. Lastly, for the Block Explorer URL, input https://bscscan.com. This is a useful tool for viewing transaction details on the Binance Smart Chain. After you've meticulously filled in all these fields, the next thing to do is click on the Save button. By doing this, you're essentially finalizing the addition of the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask. You'll notice that MetaMask will automatically switch the network to the BSC, indicating that the setup was successful. With these changes, you're now equipped to explore the universe of decentralized finance applications available on the Binance Smart Chain, like PancakeSwap and many others, directly through MetaMask. This setup greatly expands your cryptocurrency trading and application use, giving you direct access to numerous tools and systems that run on Binance Smart Chain's ecosystem. Enjoy diving into DeFi with your new setup on MetaMask.